take command of the road in the 2018 Nissan Kicks. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.